When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that. When I make an assumption about what I want to happen, it manifests, and that is that.